Efficacy table. Example for Ebola, virus clinical trial study. Efficacy table. Example for Ebola, virus clinical trial study. Introduction. Here's an example layout for an efficacy table in an Ebola virus clinical trial. This example compares a treatment group receiving an investigational Ebola therapy, for example, antiviral drug or monoclonal antibody treatment, to a control group receiving standard care or placebo. Key efficacy endpoints in Ebola trials often include mortality rate, time to recovery, viral load reduction, and progression to severe disease. Efficacy table. Example for Ebola, virus clinical trial study. Explanation of key components. Mortality rate. This is often the primary endpoint in Ebola trials due to the high mortality rate associated with the disease. A reduction in mortality from 45% in the control group to 25% in the treatment group indicates a significant benefit of the investigational therapy. Time to recovery. This secondary endpoint assesses how quickly patients recover from Ebola symptoms, with the treatment group recovering in a median of 15 days compared to 25 days in the control group. Viral load reduction. Reduction in viral load, measured by log 10 copies per milliliter, indicates the efficacy of the therapy in decreasing viral presence. A larger reduction in the treatment group, minus 2.8 versus minus 1.5, demonstrates stronger viral suppression. Progression to severe disease. This endpoint measures the proportion of patients whose condition worsens to severe disease. The lower progression rate in the treatment group, 10% versus 22%, suggests the treatment's potential in preventing worsening symptoms. Discharge rate by day. 28. This secondary outcome assesses the percentage of patients discharged from the hospital by day 28. A higher discharge rate in the treatment group, 60% versus 40%, further supports the therapy's potential benefits in clinical recovery. Safety outcomes. Safety outcomes include grade 3 or higher adverse events and discontinuation rates due to adverse effects. Similar rates between groups indicate that the investigational therapy's safety profile is comparable to the standard of care. This efficacy table layout provides a clear summary of the investigational therapy's potential impact on mortality, recovery, viral load reduction, and safety, making it easier for stakeholders to assess the treatment's efficacy and risks in managing Ebola. Efficacy table. Example for Ebola, virus clinical trial study. Many thanks for watching my video and happy learning! Please like, share, subscribe, leave a feedback comment. Many thanks for your support and having great connection.